Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to do a surprise unboxing, and the surprise is to me because I'm going to look at Paperlike and a premium competitor, Doodroo, and I didn't expect to do an unboxing of screen protectors. However, Paperlike sent me this screen protector and it came in this wonderful packaging. And similarly, I expect Doodroo to come in really nice packaging. And I didn't just want to open the products and not take part of that experience. Also, I thought this would be a really good opportunity to update you on what I'm unboxing and a couple of other videos that will be coming from this. So if you want to skip this bit of what I'm going to be doing, I'll leave some timestamps in the description and you can go to that part of the video. But I've got a iPad 11 Pro screen protector here and in the Paperlike box. And similarly, I've got one for Doodroo there and I've got one for the Oynx Note Air. I think it's really important looking at the screen protectors because I've done quite a few videos on the Remarkable 2. One of the reasons I'm using the Remarkable 2 is the writing feel. And what these screen protectors try to do is improve the writing feel of other devices. So I'm going to look to see how it improves or disproves in a way the iPad Pro's writing feel, and I'm really excited to see if it improves the Note Air as well. So with that underway, we'll go through this unboxing experience together. So if I just pull this tab here for the Paperlike, there we go, and you can just, I know it's only cardboard, but you can just feel the quality of the cardboard here. And I'm opening this up, and there we go, let's have a little look. And I know this is a very expensive product, and you're not really, I mean, this is the end of that bit of cardboard, but it's come in a quality bit of cardboard to make sure the product isn't damaged. And here, what have we got here? So we've got similarly another bit of cardboard. Let's see if we can do this. And I won't say that that's the nicest, experience I've ever had in my life, but it's not an unpleasant feeling. And what we got here? So nothing else in there. So in one sense, that's a waste of premium quality cardboard. In another sense, if you're spending 30 odd pounds on a screen protector, you want some quality. So here we then have the Paperlikes themselves. So if I open this up here, and there we go. So we've got two Paperlike screen protectors for the iPad. We've got one there, we've got one there, so that's nice and simple. Nicely designed package here. So just a nice message saying thank you for doing this. Just a nice touch. And in here, what have we got? We've got all the applications we need to install the screen protector, which I definitely won't be doing in this video. So there you go, nice and simple. That's if you're thinking about buying the Paperlike, that's what comes in the box. So let's leave that over there. Now, this will be a bit more fun to open this. I sort of didn't know what I'd find underneath here. Let me see if I can, this is, in fairness, there are two packages in here. So let's take this off here. There we go. Okay, so there we go, we'll get rid of that. So not quite as premium, although very nice, not quite as premium. So we haven't got any, so I think it's supposed to stick down there, and to be fair, it all seems well packaged enough. In fact, actually so much so that as I push that down, it's going to take a little bit more work to get up now. There we go. Satisfaction guaranteed, so I very much hope so. Now open this here. To be fair to Doodroo, although in one sense, I wasn't expecting that. In one sense, although the packaging isn't quite as premium as much as the Paperlike, I feel there's less waste. I've got two products in that, which is absolutely fine. So what have we got here? We've got, can I differentiate the products from the packaging? There we go, Note Air and iPad Pro 11. So that's nice and simple. So let's do a direct comparison here. We've also got for the Apple Pencil, which I'm quite excited to try actually. So I'll open that in a minute as well. So there we go, nice. So, there we go. Oh, I'd like to do this neater in a way. There we go. If I put a bit more attention, open that there. This is all right. Oh, that's it. Very similar, and you just look. I mean, in one sense, I don't know what to say because I'm just unboxing some screen protectors. In another sense, these really are quality bits of kit. So let's leave that there. So now this is something that I think doesn't come with the Paperlike. In fact, I know it doesn't because Paperlike say provide your own card for the application, and Doodroo here provide some nice cards for you. And there's a bit of me going, if you're spending £30 on a screen protector, I'd like everything to be there that you need, and I'm sure everyone will have a card, but just provide it with the box, provide it in the box. I suppose it's a little bit like Apple saying everyone's got a charger. No one needs a charger anymore. And I'm going, no. If I buy a phone, give me a charger. Don't save the money. So again, 2 quality screen protectors there. Now I assume if I open the Oynx screen protector, which might be what I end up trying first, put that, oh, there we go, let's put this here to make sure I know where everything is with the right box. So this should be very similar to what we've just done, but we'll have a little look. There we go. Me struggling here is not, there we go, nice, got that off. And let's open this, which I'm expecting it to be nearly identical. Yeah, I mean everything's there that you'd expect with a screen protector application. There we go. So I'm really, particularly with the Oynx product, because it's an e-ink device, and I just feel like any e-ink device should have a paper-like feel. That's not saying Paperlike the brand, but I'm really hopeful that Doodroo can massively improve my experience. Now this is for the Apple Pencil sort of cover for that. So if I open this here, there we go. Right. Not quite. The most difficult thing is what I wasn't expecting, although maybe what I'm almost most excited about now giving a go to. So try all these products out. So that's nice there. Let's just So this essentially just goes round. You can see it's got a flat layer here and just goes round the Apple Pencil. Well, certainly the Apple Pencil 2, because the original Apple Pencil doesn't have that flat side. So I'm looking forward to giving all of that a go in the coming videos and seeing whether or not it improves the feel of both the iPad Pro and the Oynx Note Air. So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll leave a link around me now for the next videos once I've filmed them and put them up. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.